Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the wireless communication technology in the fundamentals of wireless communication. So the wireless communication is a very important technology we are using in the latest technologies. The electronic and communication wireless technology plays a major role. So in that we have mobile communication is a very important one. So in that we are going to discuss about the 2G, 3G and all. So in the wireless communication we have the client and server is the main important role. In the infrastructure we have the wireless technology. So we have the mobile act like a client, and then wireless technology we can interface with the networks. So we can connect the particular node into a particular network. It is called as a communication, and that may be wire or wireless. So without wire it is called as a wireless communication. So wireless communication is a transfer the information from some distance. So without any interference, will transfer the information through the wire or wireless. So distance involved, it may be a few meters or it may be some centimeters or some kilometers. It will be covered. So is the main thing. So some important thing in the mobile network services, nothing but everything will be in building, and then when we move to the outdoor unit we can use while walking, while driving, while traveling time. So we can spend the mobile network facility wherever we can use the technologies. So the mobile network services, we have the smartphone usages year by year it will be increasing. So the 2021 onwards, so the 98% of traffic available in the smartphone devices. Around in the 4G we have 75% of traffic with the 55% of connections. Around the 5G the 1.5% of traffic available for the 0.2% of connections. So while improving the technologies, we have the several generations available in the wireless communication. So 2G, 2.5G, 2.75G, 3G and all we have. So in that we have now we are in the 5G. So the traffic rate is very less comparably the other generations. So these are the mobile network evolution. So 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G, these are the main techniques. So we are using the 1G, the AMPS and the NMT, the main technology we are used. So it is only for the analog voice. So we can use the phone, they use it for the analog communication, that is voice process only. So after that in the year of 1980s we are using 1G. So after that we move to the 2G, that is 1990s. So digital voices and simple data we can send like email, phone call, short messages services, SMS, that and all we are using the 2G. So after that we move to the 3G in the year of 2000. So it is a main revolution are done in the 3G only. So the mobile broadband is available. So we can move the WCDMA technologies. So then CDMA technology is the main important thing role available in the network evolutions. So there where we are using in the internet, and then other some special application, smartphone and all come in the 2000 only. So after that we move to the 2010 onwards we are move to the step into the 4G. So 4G we have n number of applications like a Facebook, like a Instagram, like a Google, GP and everything. So it will come WhatsApp, everything will come. So it's a main important evolution done in the 4G. So after that we are using the 5G. So we have n number of applications will worry about. So 4G is a LTE technology we are mainly used. So these are some evolutions: 2G, 2.5G, 2.7G, 3G, and then 3.5G, 4G. These are all the some important things. So we are in the 4G we are using the WiMAX technology used in the some standard formation in the cellular technologies. So this we already discussed in the 1G, 2G, 3G. So the 4G and 3G and 4G architecture, we have the phone, that's our handset, to the 4G base stations. So the same, and then we go to the GPS gateway. That is a gateway is one of the things. So with the gateway only we can interconnect the base station and the internet service provider ISP. So this is the main important thing: the phone to base station, MME, and then gateway. With the help of gateway we can interconnect the internet facilities. So this is the 3G and 4G main architecture. So the 3G we have only one more thing, the gateway. In that gateway we have 3GB gateway also available. So these are the main important things. So this is the main connections oriented things. So how the communication will occur, how the establishment of the communications. And then issues with the cellular, what are the main issue? We have more than advantages, we have some issues also available in cellular technology. The frequency allocation, we can use it for the only the licensed frequency range we can allocate for the mobile telephonic networks. And then many providers, so more number of providers available means, and subscriber available means, the frequency division, the frequency allocation is somewhat difficult. This is the main thing. And then multiple access, so many users can uses the wireless communication technology, so the retro traffic also is usually occurred. And then wide area of coverage, so we can connect with the wireless with the wide range of communication. This is the main important thing. So, and then traffic management, this all the some major issues available the wireless communication. And then main thing, location management, that's a high mobility, that like cars, trains, and flight, that and all the high mobility portions. So the high mobility portion, the coverage is very important thing. And then multiple suppliers, and then handoff management, and then roaming, is all the main important difficulties available in the cellular techniques. So our mobile phone technology, these are the main important the wireless communication technologies. Thank you.